Today, I will take you through a journey, a very interesting journey on the science of the NUTRILITE all-plant protein powder. Okay, so today, take your mind. Your mind is going to become like a sponge, a dry sponge. And when you go back, it's going to be filled with knowledge. Are you all ready for it? Okay, perfect. So this is NUTRILITE all-plant protein powder, which has been just launched. I'm sure many of y'all have already tasted it several times. Am I right? And how was the taste? Come on. Very good. Excellent. Yes, I found it great too. Now, let me explain the science of it for you to understand this product deeper and better. Now, first and foremost, what is important is the categories of protein that we have in nature. Now, this is slightly technical. Please forgive me if I'm a bit technical. Okay? Basically, what happens is, okay, we have got two different categories of protein. One is the complete protein, okay, which is the food that contains all essential amino acids. Now, essential amino acids are amino acids that our body cannot make. So where do we get it from? We have to get it from our diet, okay? So it looks like the sources is, what are the sources of essential amino acid? All animal proteins basically are the good sources of complete protein or the essential amino acid. On your right, you can see the incomplete protein. Now, these are proteins that contain some, but not all the essential amino acids. In general, they are from vegetables, from legumes, and also from grains. So this is the first understanding between incomplete and complete protein. Next, we go to the most important part, okay, where I want to take you through the journey of understanding, okay, what is exactly animal protein and what is exactly plant protein. Now I'm sure you are your best doctor. You know yourself what we are taking in every day. Now look at animal protein. Basically, it has got one big problem in life. Animal protein, they taste good, but they have got a very high fat content. So it comes with buy one, free one. Okay? I'm so sorry. It comes with buy one, free one. Steak, lamb chop, ham, everything is so nice, man. Seafood, buy one, free one. Okay? Now, when consumed in large amounts, the problem is animal proteins will lead to the #1 killer in the world, #1 killer in America, in India, in Malaysia. What is it? Cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, and all kinds of problems. So what we have is, we have on your right-hand side, the plant protein. Now this is the good protein that you or all of us should be consuming. Why? Because it is rich in dietary fiber. Fiber is very good, as we know. Good fiber intake reduces the risk of colon cancer. Very important, okay? And the fat content in plant protein is generally low. So where do I get plant proteins from? Very simple. Just switch to vegetable proteins. Why? Because vegetable proteins are basically linked to low blood cholesterol. That's what all of us need today. Now, everybody is fighting outside the battle. I see everybody has got high blood cholesterol today. 30-something, and they are fighting for high blood cholesterol. They always come and tell me, Dr. Haresh, my cholesterol is high, but I do not want my cholesterol to be high. I want my salary to be high. So that's the problem they have, okay? So now you choose which is better, animal or plant protein. I think it's very clear, plant protein is the answer. Now, the next slide will quickly tell us the functions of proteins in our body. Wow, protein is very important. Many people underestimate protein. Basically, protein is found in all your cells. How many cells do you have? Not many. 10 to the power of 12. How many is that? Go back and calculate. 10 to the power of 12 cells. In all your tissues, you have got protein. And the saddest part is you cannot store protein. You can't say, I'm going to eat protein today is Tuesday, I'm going to eat it for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. You can't do it. You have to eat protein for that particular day only. Okay? And look at the functions. Let's run through very fast. I'm given a mammoth task to go through this presentation in a short time. Hair. Okay, I've only got 10 minutes with you. Beautiful hair, hormones, all our hormones. Immunity, remember your antibodies, your white blood cells. Then we have your red blood cells. I'm sure you have heard about hemoglobin. Have you? Yes. We talk about muscle, gaining muscles, skin. Now, skin beauty is always from inside out. It's never from outside. It's never from putting 1 kilo of compact powder. No. Its beauty is always from inside out. Okay? Then we come to energy, and finally we come to beautiful nails. Even beautiful nails are actually good source of protein. Now, the next part we move on to, we talk about, now you have to choose. Where do you want to get your protein? Let's choose. You will tell me. Please be honest. Source number 1. Is this your favorite sauce? Yes, you sound so like, oh, yes, okay. Is this your favorite sauce? Or is this your favorite sauce? No. Everybody's mouth is watering. Okay. Now, basically, what is more important, I'm sure the first one was the better sauce, because the first one is the one which is linked to lesser cholesterol and lesser fats. So you have to make a decision, and many people always ask me, Dr. Haresh, when do I take protein? The answer is every day. Protein is actually required every day. And did you know that protein requirements differ from individuals to individuals? Number 1, it depends on your lean body mass. Number 2, your physical activity. Those who are very active, those who are going to gym, doing a lot of jogging, housework, housewives, they need a lot of protein. Now, life stage, pregnancy is one stage where protein intake should be sufficient because you need for the developing fetus. Then we talk about age. Now, old people, I realize they are always neglected. Their protein intake is very low. So those of y'all who have old parents at home, old grandparents, if at night dinner, I always tell them, I had so many workshops, I always tell all the members, dinner at night, they don't feel like eating, don't force them, don't scold them. Give them a good 1 scoop, put it in a glass of water, mix it with 1 or 2 slices of brown bread, that's it. They'll be full, satiety level will be good, and it's healthy. That is all plant protein we need. Gives you all the amino acid. Age, teenagers need a lot of protein because they're growing up. Those in their 20s and 30s with deadlines to meet. Health condition, after surgery, okay, after delivery of baby, you need good protein intake to come back again to your normal stage.